So, blood sugar reading na po ulit tayo. We'll see. Wala pa palang needle. Yan. Yan, so 111, tama po ba? So yeah. Since mababa po yung blood sugar, no, so I'll take this opportunity para blood sugar reading, no. So mag-measure na rin po ako ng breakfast. Meron po tayo ritong liver spread, tapos dalawang piraso ng white bread, yung gardenia, yung regular na gardenia na white bread. So meron po kasi tayong isang follower na nag-request ng pandesal at saka liver spread. So wala po akong pandesal today. So ito po muna, gardenia na white bread, loaf bread. And then tomorrow, pandesal naman po with liver spread, and then we'll see. Tingnan po natin yung comparison between gardenia na white bread at saka yung pandesal. Balikan ko po kayo after an hour. We'll measure po yung blood reading po natin. See ya. Yan po. So blood sugar level, blood sugar reading po tayo ulit after an hour of eating gardenia with the liver spread. So yung sandwich po na tinry natin kanina. Here you go. Tingnan po natin yung spike sa blood sugar. Yon. So imagine 2 pieces of gardenia white bread plus liver spread, 191 po yung spike sa blood sugar. So not so good. Check po ulit tayo after an hour. Yun po. So final blood sugar reading po for today. Naka 2 oras na po. There you go. Tingnan po natin kung ano po yung blood sugar spike. Gardenia white bread po tayo today with liver spread. Yan. $172 po final reading. Gardenia, 2 pieces ng gardenia white bread with liver spread. See you guys in the next vlog. Thank you.